these are really great basics to start with, but it's really cool with the inverted pyramid how it's a tried and true format for emails that you see a lot where you've large things at the top, like just a headline or a large statement image, and then the copy and everything kind of funnels you down to where the CTA is, in that inverted kind of pyramid or triangle. And then another one is the Z pattern, Z for zigzag, I would think, which kind of reflects the natural route that the human eye will take when you're reading. It's better for emails that have minimal text, like maybe an email where you're bulleting points and maybe punctuating it with an image. So you go image, text, and kind of alternate like that. But it just, it reflects your natural eye movements. And the F pattern kind of does that as well. But instead of kind of that zigzag alternation, you kind of get more of a firm vertical line on the left, and you end on the right with that visual and image, so it kind of guides your eye back to where the copy is.